How to connect T-Mobile home internet to your smart TV. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your smart TV to T-Mobile home internet quickly and easily. Step 1. Set up your T-Mobile home internet. Make sure your T-Mobile gateway/router is plugged in and powered on. Wait until the internet light shows a stable connection. Step 2. Find your Wi-Fi network name and password. Look at the label on your T-Mobile gateway/router. You'll see the Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password printed there. Or open the T-Mobile app to find your Wi-Fi details. Step 3. Turn on your smart TV. Power on your TV and grab the remote. Press the Settings or Menu button. Step 4. Connect to Wi-Fi on your smart TV. Navigate to Network Settings or Wi-Fi Settings. Select your T-Mobile Wi-Fi network name from the list. I enter the password exactly as it appears. Step 5. Confirm connection. After entering the password, wait for your TV to connect. You'll see a connected message or a checkmark next to your network name. Step 6. Test your internet connection. Open a streaming app like Netflix or YouTube to check if your smart TV is online. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.